So some people will say, what needs to happen so that I could get an opportunity? What, is it a 1 month unpaid internship? And then you make a decision? Because I can go to Masa and come as an intern for 3 months. By the way, how many people here did Masa? I'm curious. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You know how many people take an internship through Masa just because it was offered on the Masa menu? You know what the right thing is to do? The top 10. You reach out to those companies 4 months before you come to Israel. You tell them, listen, I'd love for an opportunity. I can come to work for you for free for 3 months. Totally legal, totally this Masa thing. You create your own opportunity. And then you come to them and say, listen, the reason I'm willing to come to Israel for 3 months, do this Masa thing, come work for you, I would love for an opportunity. What needs to happen so that after 3 months I could get that opportunity? Now you're bringing value, you're increasing output before you ask for any input. So they have an incentive to capture that. Back to you, if there was an opportunity where you can ask in a gentle way, what needs to happen so that you could get an opportunity for what and how, let them tell you.